VIOFO A229 Pro 3CH review. 4K STARVIS 2 dash cam that watches everything, Front+Rear+Cabin. Ever felt totally powerless after a fender bender because your dashcam missed the moment? Or worse, caught blurry footage you can't even use? It's a nightmare, right? You're not alone. Many drivers rely on outdated single-lens cameras or cheap models that simply can't handle night driving or bad weather. Missing license plates, glitchy night vision, and unreliable storage sound familiar? You're left feeling exposed, anxious, and frustrated every time you hit the road. Trust me, driving blind without full coverage in 2025 is just asking for trouble. Why settle for half-baked protection when smarter solutions exist? Think about it. Every commute, every trip, every Uber ride exposes you to risks. Parking lot dings, reckless drivers, nighttime accidents. Your old cam isn't ready for any of that. Imagine the stress of scrolling through worthless footage after an accident or realizing your cabin camera didn't even activate when that shady passenger got weird. And when your footage pixelates license plates into mush? That's evidence gone. Every missed frame could cost you. That creeping fear that you're not fully protected? That's real, and totally avoidable. Why gamble your safety and peace of mind on unreliable tech? Now meet your road guardian, the VIOFO A229 Pro 3CH dash cam. This beast isn't just a dash cam, it's 360 degrees peace of mind. Front 4K? Check. Rear 2K? Yep. Inside 1080p cabin cam? You bet. Powered by Sony STARVIS 2 sensors front and rear, plus HDR across all channels, it captures everything, even at night, with cinema-level clarity. From street signs to license plates, every detail pops, even in the darkest alleys. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, voice control, and 24/7 parking mode, it's the upgrade your car desperately needs. Total coverage. Total control. Total protection. Ready for next-level security? The A229 Pro delivers crystal-clear 4K front footage, 2K rear, and sharp inside cabin views even in total darkness, thanks to upgraded infrared tech. Its sleek design means hassle-free installation while the included CPL filter eliminates annoying glare. Control everything hands-free via voice commands or your phone with ultra-fast Wi-Fi and app support. Even while parked, its motion detection mode guards your ride 24/7. Say goodbye to blind spots and storage worries. Support for up to 512 GB cards ensures you're always covered. Still doubting? Thousands of drivers already trust VIOFO's legendary quality. Be next. Why risk regret? The VIOFO A229 Pro 3CH is selling out fast, and for good reason. Join the wave of drivers who've ditched grainy cams and embraced triple-channel 4K protection. This isn't just an upgrade, it's peace of mind in 4K. So, why wait? Hit that link, grab yours today, and drive smarter tomorrow. Limited stock. Don't leave your ride, or your safety, to chance. By now, join thousands of protected drivers and experience what full coverage really feels like. This is your moment. Secure your A229 Pro before it's gone. Own the road. Own your safety. Now.